Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will take a tour of a Coco Peat manufacturing unit with a difference. Samruddhi Coco Peat. And the contrast here is that they make fermented coco peat that is enriched with beneficial microbes. So this is a sprawling unit run by 26-year-old Harshit, and we will towards the end have him tell us how he embarked on this unconventional professional journey that not many youngsters his age would dare to take. So without delay, let's look at the process from start to finish. So at first, the used whole coconut is loaded onto these holding areas that open up to a conveyor belt that releases the coconut into a shredder. The shredder has these blades that disintegrate the hard shell into two major byproducts, the coco peat that falls down here and then the cocoa fiber. The fiber along with some coco peat will move on to this conveyor belt and is sieved by this large screening machine that separates the fiber and the coco peat. The coco peat again falls into this belt and is transported to the second screener that separates coco peat from some cocoa chips and fiber that remain. Now, this coco peat is used in the fermentation process. The fermentation or the composting process will last for a minimum of 6 months and can go up to 8 months for better yield. So let's look at the fermentation process developed by IIHR, Bengaluru. For this, a raised bed is first created onto which the first layer of the fine coco peat is added, on top of which a layer of the Arca microbial consortium is added. Then another layer of coco peat is added onto which measured quantities of urea is added, which is said to act as feed for these microbes. Again, a layer of coco peat is added and small quantities of water are sprinkled to kickstart the fermentation process. Several beds like these are created that are exposed to the air. This pile is frequently turned to hasten the composting process. This method is beneficial for the environment in that the raw coco pith is naturally laden with high doses of tannins and polyphenols, and these compounds hamper plant growth and hence are conventionally removed by washing the pith with tons of fresh water. With this, there is huge wastage of fresh water, and the refuse water that contains tannins and polyphenols pollute the nearby water bodies. By fermenting the coco peat, you eliminate this washing process, and the coco peat is also enriched with beneficial microbes, thereby making it an excellent potting media for plants. The tannase producing fungal consortium will naturally reduce the concentration of tannins and polyphenols. If you want to learn more about this, then you can find the research articles and resources below. After 6 months, the coco peat is taken and added into this final screener that gives you plant-friendly coco peat that is enriched with microbes that helps the plants absorb soil nutrients better and gives you a more healthy yield in terms of flowers and fruits. These are some of the nutrients found in the media. You can pause this video and have a more detailed look. And the final process is to manually bag the composted peat in 25 kg sacks for bulk or individual orders. You can customize your request as needed. The advantage of this process is that nothing goes to waste. The cocoa fiber is used in the furniture industry, and you can also use this to make more sticks. The cocoa barks can be used as potting media for orchids and plants that require a more well-draining soil media. So now, let us listen to Harshit and what he has to say about his eco-friendly venture.
Hi, my name is Harshit. So actually we started up this business like when it was pandemic, and as soon as I did my engineering, I didn't have any other. We had choices, but I couldn't go there because it was a bit risky there at that point. And later on I gave my family members about this business, and I told them the idea, how we can do and all. So even they were much interested because in our family, everyone are eco-friendly, and we are converting some waste into something useful. So that is the reason we started up this business. So what happens, see, so many people on the roads, no, they just do business. But at the end of the day, no one cares about the waste. So what we do is we send our vehicles early morning and we start collecting them, and it will directly come to my factory and we'll dump it and we'll start the process.
So Rakshit, tell us, how do you want the plant community to help you?
So like people can contact me to my phone and I'll give you my number.
Okay.
So on Instagram also we have a page called Samruddhi Coco Peat.
I'll add the link.
And Google also we have a Google address. So SM Enterprises Coyo Factory, which is located in Varma, Banjara Layout. This is my uncle. His name is Mr. Ramesh. So actually sir is helping me a lot, and he is into landscaping for almost 25 years, and he is supporting me by helping me out on this project.
Hi Mr. Ramesh.
Hi USB. Actually this enterprise is a very eco-friendly business, you know. And Mr. Harshit, he just approached me and asked me to help him out, and that's how this company is growing now. We started off in a very small scale, and today we are reaching good heights. And I appeal to all patrons to kindly buy our product and save the environment.
And with this, we've come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Bangalore, and I really hope you enjoyed this outdoor episode. And I would also urge you to support Harshit and his endeavor in making this world a much nicer place. Additionally, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. Harshit's coordinates also will be given below. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again, a very warm, fermenty goodbye.